everyone, how you guys all doing? This is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be working on a 16-inch round canvas, and I'm super excited to be using the same colors from my previous video. So these are all the leftover paints that I'll be using, and of course I'll be using some ready mix pouring paint, pearl white from Deco Art. I will pour in straight from the bottle, and I'll be also using another shade of white from Folk Art. I will be placing all the colors that I'm using in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. This painting, it's done with the blow dryer, and I wanted to create a beautiful ocean, beautiful sea, beach theme color combination here today. From my trip in Cuba, still have Cuba on my mind, still have the beach on my mind. You know what, guys, it's summer and I'm just enjoying the last couple of days, weeks, because here in North America, I'm living in Canada. It's a short period of time, so the beach and the experience, try and enjoy summer as much as we can, unless of course we go to a tropical country like Jamaica, right? So I'm still in that beach vibes, and I'm still enjoying the colors here. So just bear with me. You're gonna see me scrape a bit, redo, and go again. The end result isn't quite what I really wanted, but you know what, I'm happy with it. I do love the color combination and how all the flow in this and the movement in this. I do hope you guys are inspired, and I do hope that you would want to try this in the future, of course, one day on your own. All right, do enjoy the rest of the video, and I do hope to hear from you. If you do like this one, how it makes you feel, drop me a comment in the comment section below, and of course I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't you go away. Thank you. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving the gold in here. I used 2 different shades of gold. Actually, I custom mixed one of the gold with a bit of copper, so it kind of brings out that reddish tone, and I am loving it. Love the turquoise, the aqua green, and all these beautiful blues blending well together. What do you guys think about this one? Of course, let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if you would try this sometimes in the future. And yeah, share this video with your friends and family if you do like this one. Alright guys, here it is, the dried result, and the colors stay just as vibrant. It is beautiful. I am loving it. Beautiful color combination here. And one thing I learned about art, guys, just make it unique, make it your own, have fun with it, and of course don't be afraid to make mistakes. Make your mistake and have fun. Alright guys, I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.